DAJA M1 Ultra Unboxing Tutorial. Open the machine package. Take out the packaging foam cotton one by one and the included accessories. Power cable, data cable, glasses, U-disc, external antennas, retainer, hexagonal wrench, focus card, focusing paper, foot switch, ruler, key. M1 Ultra machine. Place the machine on a flat surface. Install the lifting column. The 4 screw holes of the lifting column. Align them with the screw holes on the base. Use a hex wrench to install the 4 screws one by one. Tighten them. Then install the optical path device. First, unscrew the fixing screws. Align these 4 holes with the 4 protrusions of the lift column. Then screw the fixing screws on. Then the machine is assembled. Then install the antenna. The function of the antenna. It is used for the mobile phone to connect to the device via Wi-Fi. Insert the key. Power cord. One end is plugged into the power strip, and the other end is plugged into the machine. Remove the lens cover